This is video B of this building a VEX V5 robot in SolidWorks, and we're just finishing up with this. Again, just some information about some of the parts that are available. So you can create there's VEX chain, and you also have these inserts that you can put on the chain. And this insert right here allows you to put slide one of these tabs in here. So if you're collecting a ball or something like that, that might be useful. You can also put these together to form a tank tread, and then they have these chain attachment links also where you have bolt holes, so you can have a chain and actually bolt something to chain. Maybe you have some kind of linear lift, and you want to bolt something that can, the chain can pull up and down or back and forth. And then there's these VEX intake rollers. And here's a little bit of information about the V5 motor. You can see that the no-load speed is 200 RPM, and the stall torque is 1.05 Newton meters. And these motors actually are pretty sophisticated. They're not just a simple DC permanent magnet motor. They have, a lot of intelligence. There is inside there a permanent magnet DC motor, but you can get, torque. It's pretty sophisticated motor. So, and then of course you can also use the VEX 393 motors for your project if you want to. The advantage to this motor, it's not as powerful. It has a stall torque of 14.76 inch-pounds and a no-load speed of about 100 RPM, but they are quite a bit lighter than the V5 motor. So if you don't need, as much power as you have with this motor, you can use the 393s. Okay, and so we have this document right here, the 1001 base spot build document, and these instructions were if you actually were building the actual robot, but we can use them to build our SolidWorks robot. So you can read through this, and there's a picture of what the robot will be when it's all put together. And so this note right here says that that we have gears and wheels that have a 1/4 inch square, so we want to use the adapters, and it says that we should get all the wheels ready with these adapters on both ends, and then one 60-tooth gear will have a free spinning adapter with a round hole on the other end. So that's what we have here. So here are the adapters, and the SolidWorks models that we have of the wheels, both types of wheels, and the small gears already have an 1/8 inch hole. So you don't have to worry about those. But we will put the inserts into these 60-tooth wheels. So let me just open up SolidWorks here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is open up the parts that we need. And okay, so we're going to grab the high strength gears, and right now we want to grab 60 tooth. And you can see I get this message, do you want to proceed with feature recognition? So I'll say no. And then we want to open up and grab some of the adapters. So so there's one adapter, and we'll open up the other type as well. And I'll say no on the feature recognition. So you can see I'm just going to put on the edges visible. So you can see this one goes from 1/4 inch to the hole for the 1/8 inch square shafts, and I'll have to pick up here on the next video.